This 5-minute solution will show you how to type degree symbol on your iPhone. So if you're trying to insert or type a degree symbol, this is very super easy process. Just follow these quick steps. So first of all, make sure to open your keyboard and select the numeric keyboard. Once you are here, tap and hold on 0. Here you will get the degree symbol. Now all you have to do is just slide your finger to degree symbol and release your finger, and as you can see, the degree symbol has been successfully added. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.